Tatlong bagyo na yan, di ba?
Oo. Ay, mali na naman ako.
Said in the past, the Philippines was discovered by
Spaniard.
Spanish. But actually, the Philippines, we were already trading with Indonesia and China and the rest of Southeast Asia. So most of our ruling structure or our hierarchy here in the Philippines, we were mostly made out of
Parang ano lang.
Galing Korean, di ba? Oo. Alam mo ba yun? Alam mo ba yan?
So, can everyone gather over here and just beside me, facing over there? Everyone over here. First and the oldest church here in the Philippines. Here is unang turista na pumunta dito sa Cebu is Lakas lang. By the baptism of the locals here. So that's why this cross is believed to have or yung whole some Jews were rulers of different islands. So people think that they are powerful, but actually during the Philippines, the women here, if they were to come back.
After all finish, back to
Pararam pararam.